Hello everyone, let's hide your Facebook profile. If you want it to be super hard for people to find you, whether on search engine or through email, I'm going to show you how to hide your profile on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your device, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to open the settings section. Scroll down to the audience and visibility section. Tap on how people find and contact you. This is the section how you will hide your profile. We'll set all of these to be as limited as possible. The first is who can send you friend requests. You tap on the button beside it and set to friends of friends. The second, who can see your friend list. You tap on it and set to only me. The third, who can find you by email address or phone number. You set them to no one. And toggle the switch to off the search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile. You also toggle the switch to off, allowing your profile to be recommended to people. So, basically, all this will prevent anyone from being able to find your profile. Hope this helps. Hit the like button, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Bye.